Hi, I am Harshana Nanayakar. This is the assessment 3 for ISYS5005 Designing Information System. Let's move to my next slide. Bright Facility Services is the company that I have chosen to implement my information system. It is a cleaning facility business and mainly focuses on the commercial and residential cleaning, hygiene services, and waste management. Let's move to the next slide. As we all know, cleaning business is a fast-growing business in Australia. Because of that, cleaning companies should concern more about healthier indoors and outdoor environment other than its appearance. Appearance is also important, but the healthier matter is very important. So this business has to maintain the quality of service. But when we deeply investigate about this business, we could find out that there are some issues when running this business. Some of them are quality of the service, underpaying for the cleaning staff arriving late or they are not showing up, and communication issues that happen with the other parties. In this slide, we will discuss the way of mitigate these issues. We have found that introducing an information system to this cleaning business would be a great idea. So we have introduced a system which can be able to deal with the company, client, and the cleaner. So the main function of this information system are location tracking, setup time, submit completed cleaning tasks, payroll support, client report center, cleaning feedback and help center, and monthly analysis report. Even we developed an information system to this business, we found out that there were some issues with the information system also. There were no options for cleaners to take a day off to the system, and there were no option to talk with the contractor, manager, client, or with all of them at the same time. And also there were no option to check the payroll from the system. Only thing that was in the payroll section was to check the total hours. So in the next slide we can discuss the recommended solution for the following information system. We can develop our information system so that cleaners can apply for a day off using the system by pressing a button, and cleaners can apply a day off. They don't need to call contract manager or the office or do some paperwork. They can quickly apply for a day off, and automatically from the system another cleaner can be signed into the work. And also to develop the system we can add the chat box or a calling option so that cleaners, contract managers, and clients can mutually interact with some problems, so they can uh, find solution the system. And also we can develop the payroll feature, which contains detailed pay advice, total hours, hourly rate, tax, annual leave, and the net payment of the cleaner. In this slide, I have shown the user interface of the app that we gonna develop. In this first interface, you can see the three actors of our system. They are contract manager, client, and cleaner. So those are three buttons. When we touch one of the buttons, we can move to the next interface, which is the login interface. In the next image, we can see the contract manager login interface. There are two labels such as username and password, and there are two text fields to fill username and password, and there are two buttons to show login and reset password. Let's move to the next slide. In this slide, I have shown three interfaces for each actor: the cleaner, the contract manager, and the client. Okay, let's see the interface of the cleaner. In the cleaner interface, we can see the cleaner can select the site, and he can on the location track when he moves to that site, and also he can set the timer on. And if there is any problem or for the secure of the job, he can upload photos after he has done the cleaning. And also there are a few buttons to request materials, view payroll, and request a day off, and chat box. And also there is back button. In the contract manager interface, he can update sites, and also he can view sites, and also he can select the cleaner. After that, he can view photos, view requests from the cleaners, and view payrolls of the cleaners, and also he can have the access to the chat box, and also there is back button. And in the third image, we can see the client interface. It is very simple. He has to only choose the site, and he can have the access to the photos, and also he can make complaints, and also he has access to the chat box, and there is the back button. The last slide, I have shown the issues foreseen with the testing and implementation of the proposed system. In the testing period, we would have to face few issues, such as mobile version compatibility. If I explain that, when we develop our system, it would work for one mobile version, and it does not work for another version, and also different screen sizes. So it will work fine with one different screen size, and it will not work for the other different screen size. And the mobile network bandwidth, so it will work fine with one network bandwidth, and it will not work with another network bandwidth. And for the implementation part, so getting the exact location of the cleaner would be a problem. Might be having some issues getting the correct location, and setting time also would be difficult. So this is the my presentation regarding our information system. Thank you.